Ellen, Hannah's mama. This is Aunt Leanie. Who is he, Hannah?
Mason. Mason Buck Lindsay. And Emma is. I was talking to Emma. Actually, Emma gets my nervous girl. Cause I can stand up now.
Yeah, I saw her standing up today. Is she walking with you?
Yeah.
Did you take your house?
Yeah. Parachute Papa.
Yeah.
Hey, Grammy.
Hello. I
Hello.
love you.
I love you.
You're my favorite granddaughter.
I'm going to point at your face.
Are you? You're going to do what?
What got me pointing at your
You playing with
face?
my face? Grammy's tired. I need to go to sleep.
Hey, Leanie.
Hey, Anna.
I love you.
I love you too, Hannah. Thank you for letting me stay in your bed.
You're welcome.
No, we don't.
Hey.
Hey, Hannah.
Hey. Let's go outside. I love you, Mason. Hey.
Hello.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'm my favorite Robin in the room.
You sure are. You got that right, chick.
I hate that. I can see you guys. I love you, everyone.
Bye-bye.